Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off phone charge reminder notifications on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. On the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on accessibility. Next, go down and tap on hearing enhancements. Then go down and tap on sound notifications. Next, tap on open sound notifications. Then tap on the settings button at the top. In the settings screen, go down and tap on the blue panel here. And then tap on notification categories. Now swipe up to go down and tap on phone charge reminder. So tap on the switch to turn it off or on, and that's it. So that's how you can turn on or turn off phone charge reminder notifications on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.